Welcome to the Pate Law Firm. I'm attorney Russell Pate. I've been practicing law in the Virgin Islands for nearly 20 years, 12 years on St. Thomas and nearly 5 years on St. Croix. I represent normal, hardworking people and their families in the Virgin Islands who've been harmed by corporate greed or negligence, where companies put profits and production over people and safety. I handle cases against the St. Croix oil refinery and the St. Croix alumina bauxite plant. Workers were never told that they were working with asbestos and asbestos-containing materials and other dangerous chemicals and gases. Workers may now suffer from asbestosis, a type of lung scarring, lung cancer, pancreas, liver, or kidney cancers, and also leukemias, like non-Hodgkin's leukemia, myeloma, or lymphoma. Also, I handle cases for family members who may have washed the dusty and dirty clothes of a loved one who worked in the oil refinery or the alumina bauxite plant. I also sue tobacco companies. I'm one of the only lawyers in the Virgin Islands and one of a few dozen lawyers in the United States that bring lawsuits against tobacco companies. These lawsuits are brought against tobacco companies for their lies. They lied for over 50 years to the American public. In the 1960s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, people could smoke everywhere. People smoked at their places of work. They smoked in restaurants and places of enjoyment. You could even smoke on trains, buses, taxi cabs, and airplanes. No one would subject their children, their loved one, or their grandparents to cigarette smoke in these places of work or even in airplanes if they knew the truth that was hidden from them, that there was no safe level of cigarette smoke exposure, no safe level. Yet tobacco companies spent billions in advertisements, TV commercials, media appearances, and paying off doctors and scientists to lie to the American public. And that's what these lawsuits are about, exposing lies and making tobacco companies pay for the diseases, the illnesses, and cancers that they've put on millions of Americans that will affect their family for generations. The Pate Law Firm holds the record for some of the largest verdicts and settlements in the Virgin Islands. On the tobacco side, verdicts for clients of $83 million and $31 million. On the asbestos side, total collections for clients in excess of $200 million. If you need help, I hope I can help you too. Please review my website and get in touch. Either call, email, or use the contact form on the website.